It's October 14th, Columbus Day. Dobbs and I are out sailing Grace, taking a couple days off from work to explore the bay here in October. We've got a little bit of company, some boats out sailing. The breeze is very nice right now. The forecast was for I think west at 5 to 10, and instead we've got, what do we have, Dobbs? At, I'd say a good solid 10, maybe a bit more. We're just north of Pools Island. There's Pools Island there. The water clarity, see a grass mat back there maybe? The water clarity is really good today. I don't know what we're headed, or where we're headed, somewhere south. Just enjoying the sailing.